Ready? I did lots of things today. I have the shark matrix that is gonna clean, so we all gotta move this out for a bit. We just gotta move that guy back there. I'll just teach you my eye too. I'm trying to get their attention by pointing the phone at my eye too, so then I can get their attention by showing it at the eye too, and then they'll know I have an eye too, and then they'll listen, and then they'll know. Then they'll know I'm talking through the phone into a Roomba video.
Oh, ready? Show me for a second. I'll tell everybody what you're talking about.
Like I have the shark matrix. Like that Roomba we're gonna use just for today.
So, everyone.
You can just talk through the phone.
Okay, so what Austin is talking about is that we love to watch Kid Crew on YouTube. That's one of our favorite shows. And Kid Crew, we were watching Kid Crew, and on their winter camping trip show, or video recently, we saw Roomba in the background. And we really, really wanted Kid Crew to do a Roomba video. Maybe they could fix a Roomba, or maybe they could show them using a Roomba or something with Roombas. Because Austin here at Austin's Playground 2020 saw it, and he thought, oh my gosh, we got to get a hold of Kid Crew and do a Roomba video with Kid Crew. Or they just got to do one. So anyways, Kid Crew. This kid right here really wants you to do a Roomba video. So he could watch Kid Crew and watch you do a Roomba video. Maybe you could take it apart and put it back together or something. He would be so happy, right, Austin?
So,
his is like yours. Show him all about yours.
I showed him because I pointed the phone at my eye too.
What do you think their Roomba is though when you saw it in the video?
It had spikes around it, so it's an i3.
And what's yours?
i2, so it doesn't have any spikes.
Oh, because yours is an i2? Okay.
Because you see that one? We're not going to use that one because it's out of battery. But that one we're going to use right there, the Shark Matrix.
All right.
And showing them about Peppa Pig too.
Oh, yeah?
I showed them the cat.
You're funny. You're a funny honey.
So let's get to moving.
Want me to show you here? You're
It
funny?
is showing them.
Hello, Peter Rabbit. Oh.
Our cat we have, it's so annoying. He poops everywhere. I said our cat poops everywhere. In her house. Because she just poops everywhere. Every time.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does. Like every morning you see puke and poop everywhere.
No.
Sometimes. Just a little bit. Shark there. He's zipping around on island. Yeah. I'll show you about this. This has a great future. It has a dustbin. You have to do this until you press these two buttons, and then you open these two, and then you got that Roomba. You do have Roombas. We do have 10 Roombas or 7 Roombas. Oh, we have 10 Roombas. I just set the phone on the ground, then it'll be dark a little bit. Right. We have all that carpet, so, and the floor back there. I'll show you around our kitchen. Well, we do have lots of time, but we should just clean.
Please make sure my bumper is moving freely. Error number 6.
What's happening? There. We have the yellow cup. I really like M&M's. I have my tablet right there. I have that. Peppa Pig on. It's just on TV forever. I can't get it off this one. I have a robot puzzle. I have the toy cooker. So I do have Peter Rabbit.
Is Peter Rabbit your new favorite thing?
Now we have that Roomba, the snook back there. I'll show you. What is it? There's all sorts of things. There's hair batting. Markers for cameras and stuff. Letters and magnets for the fridge and numbers. We have all these numbers that are supposed to be at our fridge. So we have that golden frying pan and those. This thing is going pretty good. So let's turn the light off in this shoe for now. We do need these two lights for now. Why's the light out there on? I just put 2 lights on. We do have fish, but they are cute. Not cute as my Jackbox.
All right.
Let's go us. Fish on TV. Or shadows everywhere. It's a bit dark. Well, we have the sneaky cat that we had. That's really annoying. I said our cat's really annoying because she farts and poops all the time. I put it in there so that because they have a cat too. So I tell them all about our cat work so they'll know all about our stuff. Yeah. So then, because you see they have a cat on TV.
Oh, Kid Crew has a cat?
Yeah, because their cat's name like a different name than ours, so I was talking about our cat.
Oh, what is their cat?
Well, I forgot. Yeah.
Mittens, that's their cat's name. Remember Mittens? So what do you want Kid Crew to do with their Roomba?
Just like Roomba videos.
Roomba video?
Yeah. Just with the champ right now. Just all day long.
You would just love to see them figure out stuff about Roomba.
I do have this like pictures.
That, yeah, it's really smart. Yeah.
The only complicated
It's
thing
really smart too.
is a brush roller and a brush. And that back. Because you see it has these little things. These are what it charges on. There's a little spin brush roller. It's really soft so that it'll brush stuff away. It has that. Have these bouncy wheels. Spin to get it traction. Has the wheels to get it traction. Yeah, they have stickers like they have like the I2. You see it's dead. I'll show you all about it. He has that. You see, I just changed it from the 670. It just went out. Now the brush rollers. So the best thing of all, this one has lots of traction. The best thing of all is this one has more traction than that one. You see there's these little pegs in there. There's little fire things that fired up in that corner. Yeah, they're stuck in there. Well, we don't need this little sticker right here. Because you see the scan sticker right there?
Well, show them. They can't see what you're doing. You're just showing before.
Have that right there. It spins around like this. That spins.
Alright. Time to turn it off soon.
You see it has bristles that bristle around. That bristle. So let's show them the deck. We have the Roomba. And it collects all the dust in that dustbin right there. And then we have this little filter. We have built. It's pretty dirty. I've been using it for a while, so it said it'll be dirty because it's pretty dirty right now. So we have to wash it tomorrow. And our filters. And we have, what there really is this filter. Well, I will. It's on the dock because there's a filter on this side. Because see this is a filter. Right there. I'll show you it tomorrow. But we do have the fish.
Just point at it. Say what you're talking about.
I have. Oops. So I have this. It's called a shark matrix dock. And the shark matrix sucks it in, and it comes into this. It comes into here, and then it sucks out into the bin, and then it collects all this dirt that's in there. See all that dirt? It collected.
Pick up the phone up, buddy. It's just black on the screen.
So we got in there. See that little hole down there? It's pretty dark in there. I'll just show it in here, the lights in it. Everyone can see it. You see that there? That little hole is where it's supposed to go. And the black is supposed to go like this. It's 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 supposed to go kind of like this. It's kind of supposed to go kind of like that. It goes just like this. It goes just like this. And this goes like this. And then you push it back into its safe dock. Like that. Whoops, a little burpy burp.
Alright, it's time for bedtime, buddy.
So, I'll show you this. It sits on that dock, and it'll self-empty. You see that? Self-empties. All the dust from the dustbin into there. See that? It gets pretty loud. It's so loud I can't hear anything. It's just so loud. It's just so loud, I guess. Oh, yep. It sounds weird. I know there's a little light out. So if it avoids obstacles, it'll avoid the obstacle. It has that. Let's let it brush. Do 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 do. So it has that circle round thing. That's the server powers through those plugs. So that's done. Altern's Playground 2020. Bye.